Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your chef from guruscooking.in with
egg in a capsicum and sprinkled with a little spice to make it that ultimate recipe. We'll grab a capsicum and slice it horizontal into thick slices. The inner core of the capsicum, that is the seed part, you can discard it. We just need these. Take a pan and let the flame to low. When it is getting warm, we'll add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. And as it's getting warmer, we'll add the capsicum roundels on top. Smear it gently over the pan and toss it around. Flip it over so that the oil smears on each side of the capsicum. You just have to wait, cooking at a low flame, until the capsicum turns slightly hash brown and crisp from one side. And when that happens, you'll flip it over and repeat the same process for this other side. In the meanwhile, take some eggs with you. Since we have 3 roundels, we'll take 3 eggs. And before you place them in the roundels, you add a little bit of oil in these roundels. We need the oil to support the eggs. Now crack open the eggs in these roundels. It's as simple as that. Sometimes the egg is big in size and it overflows. Don't you worry about that. But just make sure to make this recipe cleaner, greener, and a little yellower. You need to make sure that the egg size is not too large. And if it is larger, then I'll show you a simple way of scraping the excess off using a spoon or probably a gentle knife or a blunt object. Just scrape it over and you'll get the excess egg part out this way. And this looks much neater and cleaner the way we want it. Allow enough time for this egg to cook at a very low flame. Never use a high flame. And after a while, with patience, you will flip them over. If you flip them over too early, they will be raw. So please have a little patience for a minute or two and then you flip them over. Repeat the same process. Let them cook at a low flame. And then for the final flip now, flip them with the egg yolk pointing towards you. That is how these roundels were in the beginning. So come, let's flip them, and now the egg yolk is pointing towards you. This is how you want them to be. And finally, when you do this, you'll be sprinkling at the top a little bit of salt for taste and some pepper. Black or red, the way you like it. I'm sprinkling a little bit of cayenne pepper at the top because this is what I love. It's amazing this way. I can get these off, enjoy them with some sauce of your choice. And here are some more recipes for you friends. Enjoy them on Guru's Cooking. I also have a channel, Aapki Rasoi, if you understand Hindi. Thank you so much.